The best performing video on my channel is the second video I published titled The Best HTML Code Editors on Android. It's part of a series where I showcase and review the best code editors on mobile, but today we are taking a different approach. It's been a while since I used my phone to code, so why not take one HTML code editor from that series and create a full website with it? No laptop or desktop required. Let's see how that went. First thing first, let's jump into the action. But before we do that, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me. The editor we're using is called SPCK editor. It's an Android HTML editor that I reviewed in a previous video. Now let's decide what kind of website we are building. We do this by identifying the website's function. For the purposes of this video, we are creating a tourism website called Adventure Hub, where we will showcase the events we offer and provide a way for potential customers to get in touch with us. To make sure our Adventure Hub shine, we need captivating images and a logo. For the images, I headed to Pexels.com, a fantastic resource for high quality photos. As for the logo, I used Photoshop to create a basic eye-catching design. Now that we have all the required files, it's time to roll our sleeves and start coding. I opened SPCK editor, created a new project, imported our images and logo, and then created an index.html and styles.css file. Now let's write the HTML structure that forms the backbone of our Adventure Hub website. In the head section, we include the necessary meta tags for character encoding and responsive design. We also link our styles.css file to ensure our website looks stylish and comprehensive. Additionally, we include a link to Font Awesome for some cool icons. The title of our website, Adventure Hub, is set, which is what our visitors will see on their browser tabs when they visit the site. Moving on to the body of our website, we start with a stylish navigation bar. It features our logo, which I created earlier using Photoshop. The navigation menu provides links to the home page, destinations, activities, and contact, allowing our visitors to explore our adventure offerings easily. Just below our navigation bar, we have this stunning header image that truly captures the essence of our adventures, a picturesque scene to set the mood for what's to come. Now the main content of our adventure website begins with a hero section with the title, Welcome to our Adventure Hub. Here, we introduce our visitors to the exciting world of outdoor activities. We describe the diverse experiences we offer, whether it's hiking, water sports, or camping. It's all about immersing oneself in nature and creating unforgettable experiences. Further down the page, we showcase our activities. Each activity is accompanied by an enticing image and a brief description of what the event is. From hiking expeditions to water sports and camping getaways, there's something for every adventurer here. As we scroll down the page, we reach the Contact Us section. Here, I included a simple and user-friendly contact form. Visitors can provide their name, email, and message to get in touch with us easily. It is very essential to make communication effortless for potential customers. Finally, at the footer of our website, we added some social media icons so visitors can contact us through various social media platforms. And then I give myself credit for creating the website and also include the link to this YouTube channel. It's kind of a shameless plug, I know, but it is what it is. In our CSS code, we start by resetting the default styling, ensuring a clean slate for our styling efforts. We target elements like the body, heading, paragraphs, and unordered list, and remove all their margins and padding. If you didn't know, all these elements come with some default styling applied to them, so we have to remove those so that we can set our own. Let's move on to some basic styling. We set our website's font family to pop-ins and ensure a comfortable line height for readability. We are also using box sizing border box, a property to make sure padding and borders don't affect the overall layout of our website. The header of our website is styled elegantly. We centered our logo and navigation vertically and horizontally, creating a sleek and modern look. The navigation menu is displayed in a flex container, making it easy to rearrange items with equal spacing. Throughout our website, we used the container class to limit the maximum width and provide some padding, ensuring that the content doesn't spread too wide and remains visually appealing. Images play a significant role in our website design, so we make sure that images scale properly and maintain their aspect ratio. This ensures that they look great on any screen. We also added a saddle border radius to images, giving them a touch of style. Our menu with its dark and white text is easy to read and navigate. Links are styled to remove the default underlines and display them in a clear, crisp white color. In the intro section, we created a saddle background color to set it apart and make it visually appealing. Headings are styled with a nice margin and font size for emphasis. As we move to the activities section, we ensured that each activity is centered, making it easy for visitors to focus on the content. Images are responsive and maintain their aspect ratios, while headings are styled to stand out. Towards the bottom of our website is the Contact Us section, which features a clean and straightforward form. Input fields and text areas are set to 100% width for a responsive design. The message button is styled with a dark background and white text, making it visually striking. Finally, in the footer, we have social media icons that are styled to appear horizontally and have a padding left of 10 pixels so that they are not too close together. We added a background color and made the text white for easy readability, and then removed the text styling of our link and set its color to a default color. As we wrap up this project, there are a few finishing touches we need to add. We include hover stages for the links in the menu and remove all the default stylings of the link and replace them with our own. And there you have it, a fully functional and visually appealing tourism website, all created on an Android device using SPCK editor. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share with your fellow coders, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting projects. And head on over to my community tab and vote on the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.